In this video I will compare the different versions of the PTZ crystal serum to help you decide which ceramic coating is right for your vehicle. When looking at the PTZ lineup, you will notice various price points and formulations that offer a distinct trade-off between bottle size and chemical composition. For instance, you can find a standard 100 ml bottle of crystal serum for just under $7, which is an incredible value for those on a tight budget. However, if you step up to the nearly $19 version from Ukvias, you are getting a much larger 10.5 fluid ounce bottle. The contrast here is clear. The smaller bottle is perfect for a single car detailing project, while the larger volume is better for multi-car households. Another standout feature in this comparison is the addition of graphene. Some options specifically highlight an advanced graphene ceramic coating with 9H hardness, promising superior gloss and hydrophobicity. While the entry-level serum is an affordable $6.99, these premium graphene variants aim for better anti-scratch protection. Choosing between them depends on whether you want a quick high-gloss finish or the heavy-duty durability of a graphene-infused layer. The smaller PTZ sets are highly portable, but the larger ceramic variants provide better long-term value for frequent detailers. I hope this breakdown helps you choose the best protection for your paint. If you found this comparison useful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more automotive detailing reviews. Which coating would you trust on your car? Let me know in the comments below.